In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate MailerLite with Framer in just a few minutes. This will allow you to collect email subscribers directly from your website quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to MailerLite. Log into your account or create one if you don't already have it. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Forms section in the main menu. This is where you'll create the form that visitors will use to subscribe to your mailing list. On the Forms page, choose Embedded Forms and then click Create Form. Give your form a name and select the subscriber group you'd like new emails to be added to. After that, you can customize the form design so it matches your brand and website style. When your form is ready, MailerLite will generate an embed code. Copy this code. This is what connects MailerLite to your Framer website. Now open your Framer project and go to the page where you want the form to appear. From the Insert menu, choose the embed or HTML component and place it on the page. Then paste the MailerLite embed code into it. This step links your Framer site directly to your MailerLite account. You may need to resize or adjust the embed block so it fits nicely into your layout. Make sure it looks natural and blends in with the page design. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your Framer site. To confirm the integration is working, submit a test email through the form. Then check your MailerLite dashboard to make sure the email has been added to your list. And that's it. You've successfully integrated MailerLite with Framer. Now your site is ready to start collecting subscribers and growing your audience. Thanks for watching and happy design.